Hello guys, welcome to Zack Animate Studios. As you can see, today is Wix. Okay, have you ever created a website using Wix? And today I thought of taking you through the process of creating your website through Wix. So first and foremost, we just have to log into Wix account. You can log in through your Facebook, you can log it through your Gmail, or you can log it through your Google account, or even an app account. So let's hit the login with Google. So basically it's going to redirect us, and then you're going to log in with Google account. So basically when you are into Wix, you will be able to design your own website, and you can design a very good website using Wix. So most of the questions that I normally get is after you have created your own Wix. So let me just use this as an example. This was a puppy website. You can create, somebody wanted to sell puppies using Wix. So guys, this is a very nice shop. You can create an exciting website using your Wix. So this is a sample website created using Wix. It's a shop that somebody is selling puppies. You can see it has a quick shop. It has a WooCommerce. It's like a WooCommerce or a cart. Then you can add to cart, something like that. You can select, like if you want to buy a brown cart, you can add to cart, something like that, and then you can proceed and check out. So this is a very nice way to create a website. And then you can also check out, and then basically you need to you can now you can configure your payment gateway with Wix. But this is not the part that I wanted to talk about. So I wanted to talk about let's say we want to do search engine optimization on your Wix. Search engine optimization on your Wix. So what you're going to do, we're going to go back to that editor version of it, and then you're just going to hit on edit site, hit that, and then go to edit site, and then I want to explain to you that now search engine optimization, this is the process where Google can see your pages. Okay, the search engines, that is the Google, the Bing, can connect. You can connect them to your pages so that they can be visible on search engine, on the search engines. That is Google. Google is the major one. At the same time, so basically what you're going to do, you're going to integrate, you're going to put the meta tags. You understand the meta tags? So on each page here, on pages, you're going to go to each page. Let's just go there. Let's just go there on settings. Let me see. So on pages, you come here on pages and menus, as you can see there. And then on each page, at that side, the three dots, you're going to go there. You can see search engine basics. Settings. On each page there is setting and search engine basics. So you hit on that search engine basics, and then at this point you can be able to add your titles, and then the meta descriptions for your website. That is, let's say that you want to give it, let's say this is a shop that sells cards, so I can give it a very descriptive title for my pages. Let's say we sell the best cuts at affordable prices. As you can see, this is how it will look like on SEO. This is how it will appear: home meow tea, something like that, and then that will be the URL, and then at the same time we'll have now that the description. So let's say your company, say, let's give it an example. Maybe it's a web developing company, web developing company. So you'll do that. When you add on that, you will be adding now the SEO. You'll be developing your SEO strategy on each of your pages, so that when somebody Googles your product, when somebody Googles your page, he'll be able to see your products, and then it will be visible on each page. You can also add your social media pages. Basically, when you do that, you can also add your social media links. That is, you can connect it with the Twitter, you can also connect it with Facebook, and also you can connect it with Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So your Wix website will be full, will be complete. So basically, you can see, you can customize with images that you want. You can customize the description of your SEO titles, SEO descriptions, and you can do that. It will appear on different pages, on different platforms, that is on Facebook, on Instagram, at the same time on Twitter. So this is how you're going to customize your SEO on Wix website. So it has a lot to offer. I believe even right now, I believe this is the easiest, like I'm looking at it, is the easiest way to set up SEO compared setting it up on WordPress. As you can see, it looks good, and then it is visually ready, and then even the Wix guys say that this product is SEO ready. You can publish it on both social media, that is the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So if you have created your own website, trust me, you have started creating your website on Wix. You can use this platform, you can use that strategy. You can do that on each pages. You can see the shop pages. You can just go back to go to that SEO basics. You put that shop. You put a description on it. We are the best shop. We are the best shop. Best shop in East and Central Africa. East and Central Africa for selling cuts. This is just an example. So I wanted to have a very central. So basically, you can do that, and then central, guys, language, and so basically that is a short, captivating captivating descriptive SEO. So basically, these are some of the SEO strategies you can use, and your page will definitely appear on top on Google. So remember, this is Zach from Zach Animate Studios. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and you'll never miss out on this kind of amazing information. If you have a business and you want Zack Anime Studios graphic, you want some graphic design, you want some website, consider reaching us out on our website. Consider reaching us out on our social media handles, and let's talk business. Cheers, and may God bless you. Remember, this is just a simple strategy. I thought it is very dear to me and so dear for my friends who have created their website using Wix, and they want to set their website, they want to connect search engine optimization. They connect the SEO strategy with their Wix website. So you can decide to do this. And then also, if you have issues connecting, if you want to create your Wix application and you only want, now you create your website and then you just buy domain. So this is now for the business aspect of it. You create your own website from Wix, and then what we do is we are going to use that link that you have created and then port forward it. Sorry to use that a big term, but it's we are going to use that domain that you have. Let's say you have some specific domain that you want. You can use that so that you can connect to a domain. Domain is that name, the business name that you have, so that you can push your product from Wix into a real-time website. So basically, you can purchase a domain from a domain provider of your country, of your choice. The domain should be as appearing, as pleasing as you can. So basically, you can start by creating your own website from Wix, and then you can contact us as developers. We can help you to market, now to connect your website to the real domain. Remember, with Wix, your website looks very good on both. It is mobile friendly. At the same time, it's desktop friendly. So basically, this is how it looks like on a mobile platform, and then on the desktop platform, it also looks good. So this is how you can do it. This is a desktop version, and then we have a mobile platform. So guys, contact us, cheers, and support us. Hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend, and may God bless you guys. Thanks, and let's meet on the next video.